I am so hungry, Daddy. Baba, ay chak yam lame. It is almost ready. Mom is preparing for you. Loidore. Mamana sem saduna layri nangidamak. What is Mom cooking? Mamana kay thongino. Thongido hareko thongino. She's cooking fish curry. Mahak nga ginsang thongi. What is Mom cooking? She is cooking fish curry. I don't like fish, Daddy. Ay nga pamdi baba. What? Why? Fish is a very healthy food. Kariba, karigi. Nga si haksang dayam na pobo chinjak ni. What? Why? It may be good, but it is always bony. I'm so scared of swallowing it. Adu paramgani, adubu matam kuting makta marungata. Ayot payam kizay. Don't worry, honey. Daddy will remove all the bones for you. Kam waro nung shibi. Babana loy na lautok pini. Don't worry, honey. Daddy will remove all the bones for you. Alright then. But I want an omelette too. In case I don't like the fish. Omelette to O-M. Wedoniko. Double M-E kre. Adu di pare. Adubu ay yarum ngawba mapami. Kaygumba ay nangadu pamaktradi. No problem. Let's make one for you. Kay sukayde. Nanggi ama semsi. I love you, Daddy. Love you too, darling. No problem. Let's make one for you. Do you know how to make an omelette, Daddy? Baba irum ngoba sembahay bro. Why not? I'm always the one who makes omelette for you. Karigi hayroige. Ay nani nangidamak irum ngoba adam semido. What? Say it again. Kariba amukaharo. Nothing, baby. We're just talking about life. Kay sunate pazabi nung sibi. Koy punsigi maramda sum worry sana bane. No. I heard some lies. Tell me quickly. Nati ay chin tibakar taki. Ay wanda tunaharo. Mommy, I'm so hungry. Come and have some food, darling. Let me see what is Daddy doing. Sakar zaro nung sibi. Babana tawri si karino apte yenge. That's all, guys. Please do subscribe, like and share.